happens when you leave tools
Hi,
outside.
it's Michael Pilarski again. This time it's January 28, 2018. We're back at the berm. Remember, we have 2 videos of the berm, starting last year and mulching it, and then one in the middle of the summer. And here we are in the winter. We're just coming out of winter. The first greens are starting to go. Here's multiplier onions. Here's garlic chives. Here's a little sprig of oregano from last year. So it's just starting to wake up, but most things are dormant. So here's like that oregano will take off. These are strawberry guavas, or no, pineapple guavas, excuse me. Up here are big perennials, bone set. So there's a lot of perennials in the system. There's these shrubs. There's some ground story. Here's a currant. There's a currant. There's currants all the way down here. This area here on the berm, these are tea plants. Here's our temperate zone caffeine plant, rare indeed. And it's got flower buds, and it's been flowering during the winter. It's a fragrant. Here we have Chinese witch hazel. Here is a mulberry. Here is a Chinese Oregon grape, or Chinese mahonia. And here's another witch hazel, yuccas, and look at the stump up here. So this is, this is part of the berm. So this berm that's a cedar stump. There's a lot of cedar in this berm. Most people would say that cedar is the last thing you would use in a hugelkultur. It's working quite well here, actually. There are other things. The ground story here is comfrey. See, they're just starting to come up too. So this will have a ground story. So this is just one idea of what it looks like in the winter. Things are dyed back. Notice there's hardly any weeds. We'll go look for some weeds.